In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and trade on Ctrader desktop for your prop firm account. We'll walk through downloading the platform, connecting your prop account, configuring charts and indicators, placing trades with proper risk controls, and reviewing your results. Start by downloading Ctrader desktop from your prop firm's dashboard or directly from ctrader.com. Using official sources ensures you're getting the latest secure version. Once the installer finishes, open the app. On the welcome screen, choose Log in with Ctrader ID and enter the email associated with your Ctrader profile. If you use additional security like two-step verification, simply follow the prompts. After you're in, look to the top right and click your profile icon. From there, select the prop firm trading account you want to connect. Many traders have multiple stages or accounts, so take a moment to confirm you've activated the correct one. On the left side panel, click Trade to open your main trading workspace. If you manage more than one prop account, you can use Switch Account to move between them without logging out. To bring up a market chart, right-click a symbol in the watch list and choose New Chart. This opens a fresh chart where you can analyze price and prepare your trade plan. Adjust your perspective with the time frame buttons at the top, such as 1mm, 5m, or 1h, so you can align your analysis across multiple horizons. A quick tip: use higher timeframes to establish trend and lower timeframes to fine-tune entries. Next, click Indicators at the top of the chart to add tools like RSI or moving averages. Keep your layout focused on what you actually use. A clean chart makes decisions clearer. When you're ready to trade, click New Order. Review the ticket carefully, then choose Buy or Sell based on your plan. Confirm your lot size in line with your prop firm's risk parameters. After the trade is placed, you'll see SL and TP lines on the chart. Drag the stop loss and take profit to refine your risk to reward and lock in your plan. Many prop firms have strict drawdown rules, so always confirm risk per trade before you commit. To monitor live trades, click Positions at the bottom. You can track P&L, modify orders, and close a position by clicking the X when you're done with it. If your firm allows automation, click Automate, CBOT, at the top to explore CBOTs for testing. Always check the firm's rules before running any automated strategies. Finally, click History to review your results. Study wins and losses, identify patterns, and evaluate your performance against the firm's objectives. Consistent review is key to passing and staying funded.